hold on a second. A blizzard just swept through the Midwest, and we're talking about a 45-vehicle pileup on Interstate 70 near Terre Haute. Can you believe that? Heavy snow, icy roads, and near-zero visibility. It's like a recipe for disaster. And it caused this massive chain reaction crash, shutting down all westbound lanes for nearly 6 hours. But wait, here's the kicker. Indiana State Police are calling it a miracle. No major injuries. I mean, wow. And the Riley Fire Department? They said it's the largest wreck they've ever seen. Like, oh my gosh, what even just happened? This is absolutely wild.